Now we vlog. Yeah.
Come fly with me.
Ready, Sydney? Where's Jimmy? Jimny. Have you? Like an idiot with this much more. It's commitment. What is this place? We could try. We have to catch a train. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good to tell you that. Because like, yeah, she was going to meet her to get us up from the airport, but didn't happen. Dollars cost too much. So we take a train from here to Epping. I've never been to Sydney before. Actually, I've been to this airport before, but I've never actually been to the city. I flew to this airport for the first car I picked up, which was the first car I owned. What was that car? Land Cruiser, BJ73. But now, we're trying something different. Yeah, we're going miniature style. It's even smaller than the BJ Cruiser. It's even smaller than Hyundai XL. 1.3 litre. 1.3 litre, yeah, 4-cylinder, 1,008 kilos. Sure, fuel as soon as you landed. Yeah, it was great. I turned off the aircon. Yeah, it's like they, instead of putting the fuel in the fuel tank, they put it in like the aircon unit. They're like, oh, we just need to top it up. Quick. So we're in Sydney. We're gonna go look at Jukemods. Yep. We're gonna go look at Jimny Snickets. Slim Jim. It's gonna be your one. We'll figure out a name for this guy. When I get a Jimmy. Yeah. Which will be very soon after I get mine, I guarantee, because they're so pretty cool. Probably. I'll probably fall in love with it. Yeah. He's gonna sell his cruiser for a Jimmy. Yeah. No, you will. You reckon? Yeah. Just get some Krispy Kreme. Krispy Kreme. Yeah, they do some twirl. Yeah, no, it's a little bit. You get so many weird looks. Yeah, vlogging is. It's you look like an absolute tool. Yeah, but you do. For the YouTube. Yeah. So cool. Yes. This is it. This is the Jimny. My boss thinks I'm in Sydney for something else. Oh yeah, so we'll wait a while. Yeah, wait a couple of weeks. Yeah, this is a Saturday. We're in Sydney. Luke's with me. You're not working next Saturday, are you? No, doing something. Are you good? This is Saturday. Yeah. Saturday.
We're the worst vloggers. New car!
New car.
His new car, not mine. So, tour. There is a Jimny. Suspension. Suspension works. It works. Should we see if it starts? Yeah. You know what I just realised? What? We didn't even drive it. Yes. So, what do you reckon?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Liking the
liking it,
the
mate.
whole manual life again?
It's agricultural. It's very small.
It's like a very small four-wheel drive.
Very small SUV four-wheel drive thing.
So dual live axle. We got high and low. 5-speed
We have
manual
gears.
in the proper pack. How are the brakes?
Yeah, actually pretty good. Gearbox was good. Clutch feels okay.
What?
Apparently they engage the last like 2 seconds.
Same as a Land Cruiser.
It's been a while since I've driven manual. What's this? 1 amp. Whoop. 1 amp, she says.
Shoop. Out she goes.
So we're heading out. We bought a Jimny.
You bought a Jimny.
I bought a Jimny. We bought it, but I bought it.
Yeah, you paid for it.
I paid for it.
Because I bought a Land Cruiser.
Yeah. And every Land Cruiser, you need a Jimny to tow it out.
Yeah, when it gets bogged.
When your Land Cruiser gets bogged.
Gets bogged.
When your Land Cruiser gets bogged, you need to have a Jimny on hand. You can chuck it in the boot, you can chuck it on the roof racks, but you got to have one.
gonna be fine.
Really.
We'll be fine.
We made it home.
We've done pretty damn well. I mean, this car is exceptional.
It's actually gotten a lot better as we're driving.
It's progressively gotten heaps better. At the 6 hour mark, it just got like a lot better.
It's dark. We're home.
I'm
tired.
Home. We're not.
Yeah, he's home.
Not quite home yet.
We're going to sleep. Not together though.
What? What's wrong with?
So we're home. Jimny made it. It's our 1,050 kilometers, something like that.
Something, yeah.
Probably more, I think.
9 hours. I think it was a bit
About 1,100 kilometers.
Yeah.
It lasted. It actually improved.
It actually got better.
I think that's about a success.
Yeah.
Anyway, see you next time.
Enjoy.